Okay, this is the time for another unboxing video, and we have received this box and I'm going to open it now. Let's do this. Okay, let's open it. Lots of bubbles, bubble wraps. So it must be something fragile. Lots of bubbly things. Oh, look at this. A lot of other bubbles. The box. Let me put aside the box, big box, and see what is this inside this black box. Okay, there is a barcode and there is a writing on the barcode. 3.5 millimeters, 70 degrees, 1.25 inch to 2.8 element wide angle eyepiece. Oh, that's the eyepiece. So it's one of the biggest 3.5 eyepieces I may have. Oh, nicely packed. Look at the strong box. And another bubble wrap inside here. How can I open this? Oh, it's like a pouch. Oof, a whopper, heavy. I have to bring the balance to measure the weight. So let me open it. Okay, I have rolled it out of the box. This is a little bag. Probably we can keep. This is the Eyepiece. Again, inside another resealable bag. Let me open this one also. Okay, I've opened the seal. Now I remove this. Put it inside the bag. And now I'm holding the, oh, look at that, that's a magnificent eyepiece. This is a big eyepiece. Let me remove the lens caps. Ooh, look at the large eye lens. Let me remove the lower part. Ooh, wow. Quite tight view here. Let me use a camera flash just to see what is inside. Okay, as you can see, there is a Barlow Smythe lens inside. There is a screw that you can actually attach it to the eyepiece holder if you're using with a 1.25 inch. The eye lens is quite big. And I suspect that this must be able to come up as a eye guard. I have to twist it over. Yes, I twisted it. It comes around half a centimeter or near 1 centimeter, 8 millimeter up. It gives you a good protection from the stray lights in the surrounding environments. I wonder, should I try it? It's very windy outside. I have the other versions of this, so just have a look. And first I will bring the digital scale and measure the weight. Okay, this is the digital scale. The unit is in the gram. I'm now putting this over the scale. Okay, the weight it shows is 693 grams. If I put the caps, let me see what's the difference in weight. Okay, 702 grams. And if I change the unit, I'll show you how much is in the ounce. 24 ounce 75. That's around 25 ounce. So quite heavy eyepiece. This is the planet Venus. I must say this has one of the sturdiest images I've seen of Venus. This camera probe has, oh, the atmosphere is good, but it's a gibbous phase anyway.